Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today Waplum girl. So guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing about Oriflame Love Nature facial kit with face cleanser, face scrubber, face mask, and face moisturizer cream. So first one is face cleanser. Take quantity amount of liquids on your palm. Clean your face for 2 to 3 minutes to remove darts. This facial kit is made by milk, honey, and turmeric. Milk helps for remove dead skin cells and stimulates new cell growth. Honey moisturizes the top layer of your skin and helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It soothes the dry, irritated, and wrinkled skin. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. It helps for natural glow and brighten your skin. After cleanser, wash your face with normal water and pat dry. Now for face scrubbing, take quantity amount of liquids on your palm. Rub your face for 2 to 3 minutes to remove dead skin cells and darts. After scrubbing, wash your face with normal water and pat dry. And now the third one is face mask. Take quantity amounts of liquid on your palm and apply on your face. And now we'll wait for dry for 15 to 20 minutes. After dried, wash your face with normal water and pat dry. And now for face moisturizer cream. Take moisturizer cream with your fingertips and apply all over your face. So guys, if you want this product, I'll share link on my description box. You can get it easily. So guys, I hope you like this product. To get more information about my next video, then click the bell icon, subscribe and like my channel. So guys, I'll see you on my next video.